hunt.
They fight. Who do they fight with?
Their own kind.
Their own kind.
Against the other males. Yeah. And what do they get when they win?
The girl.
The girl.
The girls. Yeah.
Sorry.
And when they get so the male with the strongest horns, the strongest will get the girl sheeps, and they will have the most babies.
Reproduction.
Now, do you think the bighorn sheep is a predator or prey?
Predator.
Really?
Prey.
It looks
Prey.
like predator though.
It does, because of but it
Yeah.
doesn't use its horns to
Yeah.
attack.
If it's extinct, it's gonna be prey.
Yeah, if it's an endangered species, yeah. So what are its teeth like? Are they kind of flat?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. So it eats mostly grass. And where are its eyes located?
Right there.
Actually, they're.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's
dumb.
So where are the eyes? Like on the
Side.
yeah. What do you think that helps them with?
To see better.
To see
in the
oh,
sides
I
and
remember.
everything.
They can see like
prey and then in the
Uh-huh.
front they're
Yeah.
predators.
Excellent.
I remember that.
Yep.
Well, it's because I got those eyes. That's why I thought it was predators.
Yep. So they can see their predators. And what do they do if they see a predator coming?
They hide
Well,
No,
where do
they run.
They run. Where do they run?
to their.
They are very
Homes.
good at. They have special hooves, so they can run where?
like this little thing.
Where they
the
can.
mountains.
They can go up in the mountains. Yep.
It's because I've seen this movie named Bambi.
Now, do you all know what a fetus is? Or a fetus is?
No. A fetus? Isn't it a person with a feet?
No. It is a baby that has not been born yet. So this is a roadkill, and the mother was pregnant, and they took it out. And this is an animal. I want you to look carefully at it. Look carefully, especially at the feet.
Is this still?
No, it's dead. It's dead. And try and think in your head what kind of animal it might be.
I think a horse or a.
Keep it in your head and pass it around. We're talking about the bighorn sheep, its horns and its eyes, and we're talking about its adaptations. Why do you think that animals have adaptations?
So they attract prey?
Not real. Well, part of it. Why would we have an adaptation? What would it help us do?
Like live somewhere so we don't get killed.
Exactly. A plus. It helps us survive. Yes. So if all animals have different adaptations, and then when we looked at the fetus, it hadn't developed its adaptations yet, which is why you guys had so many different answers, because it hadn't developed its adaptations yet. So what are some, I don't know, like a bird? Can you think of some adaptations a bird would have?
Feathers.
Feathers? What else?
Tail.
Tail?
They have this neck that goes like some goes all the way around.
What does it do?
Fly.
What are its bones like?
They're hollow.
Yeah, so those are adaptations a bird has. What about a fish?
It swims, has scales.
Yep.
They have
How does it breathe?
they have gills. That little thing how they move.
Yep.
Like
Their vertebrae is attached to the
Yeah.
muscle.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah.
yeah, they have
What about land animals? What adaptations?
feet.
Feet?
fingers, toes,
Uh-huh.
breathers,
How do we eat?
mouth, teeth,
Teeth. Yep.
and we have lungs.
Yes. So teeth is an adaptation we're going to talk about today. It's an adaptation that helps us eat. If we didn't have teeth, do you think we could survive?
No. Probably.
We can drink water.
Yeah.
And
No, we could like babies. Like
Yeah.
they don't have teeth.
True, but
And then you could get the little thing, the thing that goes, and get some milkshake, some.
yeah, but what would like a mountain lion do? They couldn't have a blender, could
They
they?
could drink swallow fish.
All right, so there are 3 kinds of teeth. Does anyone know what they are?
They're the jaws.
Not jaws.
My jaw is dislocated.
What do you call the teeth in the back? Elizabeth, do you know? Does anyone
Molars.
know? Molars.
Molars.
What do you use your molars for? Grind.
Yeah.
What do you call these sharp ones?
Oh, the one that vampire has.
Yeah, I know.
Teeth?
No.
Hold on. Don't say it.
I know, I
Hold on. Shut up.
Starts with a C.
Cornillos.
Yeah, but I don't know how to say it in English.
It's canines?
Yeah.
All right. What do you use your canines for?
What you said is better.
I don't care.
It's for like stabbing things, like to get
Yeah, it's like tearing,
tearing.
tough things.
And if it's like a fruit, like putting it in, so like anything.
You could use it for your fruit. All right. What do you call these ones in the front?
front teeth.
Front teeth. What else?
Oh, I remember that.
Have you heard incisors?
No.
Okay, these are called incisors. And what do they look like? Are they sharp?
No.
They're kind of flat, right?
Yeah.
So what do you use the incisors for?
To eat an apple.
How about to bite off things that are softer, right?
Yeah.
So the inside, the
Like gummy worms.
like gummy worms or fruit or vegetables.
Like she has gummy worms.
Okay.
Do you eat them?
Now there are 3 kinds of eaters as well. What do you call an animal that only eats meat?
Carnivore.
Yes. What do you call an animal that only eats plants?
Herbivore.
Herbivore.
Oh, it was me.
That was the same.
What about an animal that eats plants
Omnivore.
and
Omnivore.
meat?
Yeah. I was like, how do you do that? I was like,
I'm a
What are humans?
omnivore.
Both.
Omnivores. Very good.
Oh, some are vegetarian.
Some are vegetarians. Yes.
Vegetarian.
Now I have a skull here. I'd like you to look at the molars.
Wait, but why are animals that eat plants called herbivores and herbs? Yeah, I know. But like, I mean, but why aren't they called vegetarians? Like we are.
Well, because humans make a choice, and we're humans by nature. We have adapted to eat animals
Herbivore.
and plants. Okay. So what do you think about the molars? Are they? They're pretty flat. And what about the incisors? They're broken, but this one's not. It's
They're kind of long.
long and flat on the bottom. Do you
Those
see?
are the animals that they're.
Do you see canines anywhere?
No.
So what kind of eater do you think this is?
Herbivore.
Herbivore. Very good. What kind of animal is it? Guesses?
I think it's like a jackrabbit.
Close.
Yeah.
It builds dams.
Foxes.
Oh, a
Raccoons.
beaver.
Beaver. This is a beaver. And a beaver is a herbivore. And herbivores in general, they have flat molars.
And they use their big teeth to
Yep.
get the wood.
Yep. Well, they have no canines, and they use the incisors to chop up plants and gnaw on wood. And this orange coating makes the front teeth super strong. And they need to be. Why do you think the front incisors need to be really strong?
So they won't fall off.
Well, yeah. Why are they? What are they always chewing on? Wood and really like rough plants. And so they need to be really strong. Okay. Now here's another skull. I'd like you to just look at the teeth, look at the molars. What do you think about them?
They're like smooth.
You think? Look at
Oh, I
that.
thought you were talking about
No, these are. Oh, that's the back of the head.
Those are all crooked.
They're crooked, but peel it.
they're pointy.
Yeah.
They look like nothing.
So the molars are pretty pointy. What about the canines?
Pretty pointy.
Yeah, and even the incisors?
They're pretty pointy.
Yeah. So what kind of eater is this?
Carnivore.
Carnivore. This is an animal that only eats meat. So
What if he eats plants by accident? Will something happen?
Nothing happens.
nothing really happens, I don't think. They're just not adapted to eat it because they don't. It's hard for them to chew it with the sharpness. What kind of animal do you think this is?
I think it's a good.
Close.
A cow.
It's native to the Sierra.
Tiger.
Oh yeah. Lion.
That's what I said.
Lion.
Mountain lion.
Oh, cool. Hey, super loser, you took my idea.
Okay.
That's a wolf.
Now, what kind of eater is this?
Carnivore.
Carnivore.
Well,
Well,
omnivore.
look at the. What are the incisors like?
Flat.
And what about the canines?
Pointy.
And the molars in the front are
Flat. Pointy.
kind of pointy, and in the back,
Flat.
flat. So
So
this
they're
is an
herbivore.
omnivore. It's got kind of a mix of everything.
Yeah.
What kind of animal is this?
No.
It's native to. It's pretty. It's a big animal.
A deer.
Bear.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
This is a bear skull. Yeah.
But a bear has like a roundish face though.
That's just because of the skin.
Yeah.
They're fluffy.
They're kind of pointy. So bears are omnivores and humans are omnivores, right? But do
really?
no, do our canines look anything like this?
No, because
No.
they're designed to only eat some. Because we're not well, we are predators, but like
How are we different than bears?
that
We don't
we're
have
not wild.
teeth.
Well, do we
We are wild.
do we cook our meat?
Yeah, we
Yes.
cook.
And we cut it up.
We cook. We got
So-
knives.
So you have to realize in the whole range of omnivores, there's a lot of difference because humans have adapted to eat small pieces of meat. We cut things up and we cook our food.
My daddy's lost.
So we're gonna do a little test. Okay, are you guys hungry still?
Yes.
You like honeydew
I
melon?
only ate chips. I ate so healthy today.
Okay. Does everyone like honeydew?
What's that?
Take one piece and pass around.
I don't know, but I'm gonna take
See?
that.
Isn't that like green melon?
It is green
So
melon.
good.
Let me look at that, okay?
Wait, one person only grab one?
I have. Everybody grab one piece.
Alright. There's nothing to say about alright.
I didn't get one.
Seriously,
Don't bite it yet.
don't bite it yet. Don't eat it.
Alright.
All right, we're
Ya
gonna
lo mordió ella.
We're going to
Oh.
do an experiment, and I want you to pretend that you are a little mouse out in nature, and there's a predator coming towards you. So let's see. Let's have partners: a group of 2 and a group of 3.
Oh no, three.
All right. I want you to choose who's going to be the eater first.
Me.
Who's going to be the eater first? Okay. Now you're going to, in the name of science, because in science, what do? We take observations. You're going to observe your partner eating. So eaters, you need to be eating with your mouth open. Kind of gross, but just once in the name of science. Okay? So eaters, you're going to be eating with your mouth open. Observers, scientists, you need to be watching what teeth they're using. You need to look for what teeth they're using to bite, what teeth they're using to chew. When I say go, go. So your little mouse, here comes the eagle.
Bite this one. Chew back.
Chew with your mouth open.
Is that so?
You're just supposed to eat the top part.
No wonder.
She chew.
No wonder it was
with
so
this
hard.
one, and she chew with the back one.
You just take one bite.
You can take 2 or 3 bites and get some observations, and then we'll switch.
Are we supposed to eat the whole thing?
If you want. And there's garbage
That's
when
it.
you're done. Here's the garbage.
There's the garbage.
Watch what teeth they're. And raise your hands. Who observed? Now this is science, so this is what you observed, okay? This is not what you did, but what you saw. Who observed their partners using their incisors, the front teeth, to bite it off? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see incisor use?
No. Please? No, he says que nobody use this.
Yes, actually.
You did.
Smart. Oh my God.
Who observed canine use? To bite?
I got an expo marker if you want.
Oh, it's 1. Who observed molar use? To chew it up.
Really?
Did you see molar use?
Oh yeah.
To chew? Okay, 5.
I was smart when I ate.
No, yeah,
Okay, so does that make sense? When we're eating a fruit, we use mostly our incisors and our molars. And everyone's a little different, so some people use their canines. But if you remember our beaver skull, there's molars and there's incisors, and were there any canines? No. So herbivores have adapted to not need canines anymore, because when you only eat plants and fruits and nuts, you don't really need the canines, okay? So now we need to do a carnivore test. So how do you think we do that?
Eat meat.
Yes. Do you all like beef jerky?
No.
I got smacked in the butt with beef jerky.
Who does not like beef jerky? Who does not like it? You don't have to eat it. 3 people. Oh boy. So we just have 2 eaters.
I actually don't like it, but I'll try anything.
Okay. 1 piece. Take 1 piece. And
Good.
so Elizabeth, why don't you be the first eater? And same thing. You're gonna bite it in pieces because you're small pieces. And observers, you're gonna observe which teeth she's using. Okay, ready? Go ahead.
She took it with her tongue.
Middle and back.
I got the leg, you guys. And it's tickling.
Are you guys watching?
Oh yeah.
She's the front, then the middle, and then the back.
And the sides, to side. I only eat on one side because if I eat over here, I bite my teeth. And then
Okay.
Big.
What's your name? Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, did you guys all get good observations? You're right. Who observed their partners using their incisors? Raise your hand. The front teeth. Everyone. Who observed the partners using the canines?
Oh no, I wasn't watching myself.
Well, did you observe?
Oh yeah.
Who observed molar use? What did
You
you?
can absorb me if you want.
What did you observe molar? What did they use the molars for?
Munch it. Grind it.
Grind it. Yep. Okay, so does that make sense? With carnivores, if you look at the teeth, they have all 3 kinds of teeth, and they use all 3 probably equally depending on what they're eating.
It's cracking through the middle.
Okay. Now look, what is the one kind of teeth that both used a lot?
Molar.
Molars.
Oh wait.
What do you think do you think that we would be able to survive without molars?
No.
No.
How would we swallow our food?
We're gonna be like, not too good.
And
You
like,
might choke.
Yeah.
So molars or teeth are a very important adaptation that we have, that a lot of
these
animals
are actually
have.
pretty good, like the front teeth, because like you know how the skin, you
Uh-huh.
can't really munch it and grind it open.
It's true.
And these you could like go like that.
Yeah, we need all three kinds. Or, you know, in herbivores' case, they need all two.
And then in fruit, we kind of munched it if we didn't have like.
Right.
It'd be like.
So open to the last pages of your book. We're going to do a little test for fun. And cross out 8 and 9 and 4. Okay, I'm going to use this for... Okay. Now I've got 6 different skulls here. Alright. You're going to look on the bag and on the skull. There's usually a number. So this is number 7. So you're going to find number 7. And then I want you to examine the teeth. Okay, look at the molars, look for flat molars, look and decide whether it's an omnivore, O, herbivore, H, or carnivore, C. And write in the short line, O, C, or H. And then if you want for extra credit for fun, just take a look at the shape and the size and take a guess of what kind of animal it
I'm
is.
gonna guess wrong.
Okay, and that you can just do if you
So I
have
need
time.
help to guess, because they no.
Nayeli, did we interrupt? Thank you. Okay, so these are all animals to the native Sierra. Okay, so I'm going to pass them out. And when you're finished, just exchange with a partner until you've done all of them.
Why don't you have 4 and 9?
And let's do just a quick review. What do you look for an herbivore?
Herbivore.
Molars and fur.
Flat molars?
Some are sharp, some are not.
Well, herbivores have flat molars and
we open them?
orange teeth. Try and keep them in the bag. What do carnivores have?
Everything.
Sharp.
Sharp.
And omnivores?
Are birds? Oh wait, never mind.
No, we're not going to, there's no
Yeah,
birds.
I know.
They're all land animals. What do, good job. Oh, as an omnivore, it's a tough one. If you look at the last molars, they're flat on the inside. Okay, it's tough. You gotta really, yeah. But like a lot of omnivores, they just have like one set of flat molars in the back because they eat mostly meat. And
Was it a rat?
No? Any guesses? Look at this shape. It's an omnivore.
Weasel.
It's a very smelly animal.
Skunk.
Skunk.
I was gonna say raccoon.
Number 2. Where's number 2? O, C, or H?
H.
H.
Very good. Why was it an herbivore?
Because the rat.
Why? But what about the teeth?
It has like the
flat.
front teeth and no canines.
Yes, very good. No canines and the orange coating.
And they're flat.
Flat molars.
Wait, it is a rat, right?
It is a pack rat.
Oh, it's a rat.
Oh, yeah. It's type of rat. Yeah, very good.
Oh.
Number 3. O, C, or H?
H.
Wait,
What's
Number 3? Number 2 is H. Number 3?
Oh. Never mind, they have
Look at those back molars.
carnivore.
Carnivore.
We'll get it right.
And what kind of animal? It's carnivore. It's kind of small, round